All right, this is going to be When Cries Mary by JIMI Hendrix. Okay, so the first two verses are going to go like that. This is the intro. We got this power chord here, 1 and 3. We're going first fret, second and third. So 1, 2, 3. Then we have this little thing here where we're going to get into one of these type chords. So we're going to have 3, 3, and 4, but we want to hammer into this big 5 right here. And we do that same thing 3 times. So we got. Let me do it again. Now at this point we're going to go. So we've got these two down here, the 5 and the 6, up to the big 7, back to that chord, and then. And at that point we're trying to get this finger so high that we hear this kind of chords going on. Okay, and then we're getting to the verse. We got C. I like to just do it with one finger. You could do the full C if you want. To B flat, to F. You can just strum the F, or you could try to bring another finger up here and get this little hammer on. So here goes the one finger thing. To F. See, if I put that finger an extra string up when I play that chord, then I'm able to hammer in this one. Okay, so back to the C. And then instead of, you might go that time just to mix it up. He'd always mix it up with different fills. So here's the third one. Back to the original fill for F. Okay, then we're going to come up to G here. We're going to go. And that's going to be the pinky on the second string down here. So we got 5, 4, 3, but we're going to hammer in and out with this pinky on the second string on the 5th fret. So we got bum ba da dee da dum. Then we're going to go up to the 6th fret, B flat. Do the exact same riff, and then we're back to the beginning. And then we repeat the G to B flat thing. And then we got that other riff from the intro. Same type of fill to get into the next verse. So this would be the second verse. G, B flat. We gotta do the G to B flat again. And then we'll do that other riff from the intro. Now we're going into the solo. We're gonna be able to do the whole solo here on this instrument here, the baritone ukulele. So we're gonna have, so this is kind of a hammer there. And this is just a quick prelude to the solo. You don't even have to really play this, but it'd be like, and then. So this one is gonna be 12th fret and 13th fret, hammering onto the 14th fret of the G string. So once you do that, kind of do the hammer and slide, and then we're going to have same type of thing, in and out. And we have to move 1 fret away to get up to the 15th for that. So here we had a quick pull off, hammer on pull off to that lower note. So that's 10 to 12. And then at the end we're going to go, and we're back. So that one's a little different. Same little ending. Now this third one, so that was a little different. Then we're going to try to reach way up here on this 15th fret. That's a hammer on into the 17th fret of the second string while keeping the bar going on these two 17s on the two bottom strings. So, and then we're going to have the same type of thing we did for the F. So that's the hard part. Then we're going to come down here to the 6th fret. So that's just hammering into the 8th fret of the second string. So we took the 7, 6, 6 and we hammered into the 8 of the G string. So then we're going to come up here to the 9th fret. So a little bend or a slide. So that'd be the 12th fret. That's 9 to 12. A little bend here in this 10. Sorry, that's an 11. So we got. So we're going to bend that 12. Then we'll come back to this F chord. Okay, so that was the solo. Let's take a look at that solo again. So we have, let me come up here. Then we got to get way up to this high one. Then 6th fret, and then 9th fret position. Then we're back to this F. So our last things there is 10 to 12, 8, 7. And if you wanted to, you could hit this F down here, and a little hammer to get into the C. For the next verse. Then we got that G up to B flat, 6th fret. And then we're back to the beginning thing. G again. Now before this last verse, it's just going to hit this, get that F. So that's the 15th fret, right into a C. So this will be the final verse. Plays out about the same. It's going to have an extra ending at the end to take us into the end of the song. G, B flat. G at B flat again. Okay, and then here goes the outro of When Cries Mary. So that's going to be 8s down here, hammering into the 10 of the second string. You try to keep this so high with a lot of these Jimi Hendrix riffs. You try to do a hammer, but you keep that finger so high that you still hear the note below it. So that'd be 8s and 10s, kind of 10 coming out after that hammer on the second string. And that's going to be 10s with an 11 on the second string coming in and out. So we got. And then we got this high riff. And then we got this hammer thing again. Then we're going to go. So that was a quick hammer, 5 to 7 on the G string. back to the 5, and then 7, 5, 3, 0. Back to that. Then we're gonna go. So that was 5 and 7 on the G, and 6 and 8. This last one's gonna be another one of those kind of hammers, going down to a 10, 7. Then we have both of these 8s going up to 10s. So that's going to be all these 10s on the big one hammering into this shape here, this 12, 10, 11. So let's do that whole outro one more time. So we got. Alright, When Cries Mary, Jimi Hendrix. Please like and subscribe. I'm Damon Wood. Welcome to Damon's Baritone Uke Joint if you haven't been here before. And we shall see you soon. Thanks a lot.